Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start inside GitHub already signed in. Click your avatar at the top right and open Settings. That puts you where Profile Fields live. Once inside, select Public Profile from the left sidebar so you see your current name, bio, and nickname fields. Make sure your account email is verified because GitHub surfaces verified accounts differently. This avoids surprises with integrations. Now you're ready to edit the display name or username. Let's change the visible nickname next. You should now be looking at the name field and related profile inputs. Click the name box and type the nickname you want. GitHub treats this as the display name, not your login, so spacing and capitalization matter. Once typed, glance through your bio and company fields to ensure consistency and avoid accidental leaks of personal info. Press Save Changes at the bottom. The site will update your public profile immediately. If you also want to change your username, we'll cover that next because after you save, go to your public profile and verify the new nickname shows up. That confirms success. If you also changed your username, follow the additional confirmation steps GitHub shows and confirm repository redirects so links remain valid. This affects clones and forks. If the update doesn't appear, clear your browser cache and sign out then back in, or try a different browser. If still stuck, check GitHub status. One troubleshooting tip: allow a few minutes for cache propagation across CDNs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.